Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will explain how to fetch some data from your MySQL database using PDO. And in the next tutorial I will explain the same but using another method, MySQL. And let's start it. Everything that you can see here I have already explained in the previous tutorial, and I will use the same code. I will make some space. And now I will create my SQL statement. You can type query or whatever you want, that is just a name for your variable. Now quotation marks, semicolon at the end, and between quotation marks type select all from users. Why from users? But while that is my main table, okay, in localhost, in my database test DB I have created one table users, and I have a few parameters in my table. Okay, select all from users. But what next? Next I'm going to create another variable data, equal connection, variable connection. Our new variable data is equal connection, then connection string, query, our SQL, and semicolon at the end. Okay, SQL. Now new row, and if you want to see data and retrieve data here in one table form, you have to create it first. And I will shortly pause the video so you don't have to wait. Okay, that is first part of our code. Echo table, and in table we have a few parameters, that is ID, name, last name, and number. While I will retrieve all parameters from my database table. And now I will create a for each loop. First variable is data, okay, that is data, as row, and that I don't need right now. And for your code I have also to type a few echo commands, and I will pause the video so you don't have to wait again. Okay, I have copied, and that is first echo statement, and for each our variable data as row. That means everything from our for each will be displayed via row. Okay, and that is our first parameters. You have to pay attention that everything is typed correctly. ID, name, last name, phone number, same as in your table in database. ID, name, last name, phone number, phone underscore number. Okay. In here I have closed my table, and I will save that now and check. Syntax error uninspected for each, expecting semicolon or comma at the line 38. For each data is a row. Okay, here I have forgot to put semicolon. Save. Okay, connected successfully, and that is our database. And now we don't need echo statement here. Okay, that is our table with some data. You can also limit with SQL statement. For example, limit 1, and now you can see nur just the first parameter, or you can limit 2, and so on. Okay, everything works fine. And if I click on insert, ID is auto incremented, name and number, go. Okay, now refresh, and as you can see, here's our fourth row. And what that means? Just again, our variable data is a query, our PDO connection, then connection string, query, our variable, that is query, and here is variable, and all what is in our variable will be sent to our database. And here every result will be displayed as one row. For that we have created echo statement and table, and that is final result. Thanks you for watching.